this zone fruit isn't as good. The giraffe fruit. Why is it a cube giraffe? What if it was just a normal giraffe? You think that would be better?
Maybe it's cube just because of his nose.
That's true. Also, if you
Kaku.
weren't Kaku and had all the 6 powers, it's probably not that good.
I think can he beat the Buddha with it?
Nah.
I don't think so. I think the Buddha's a lot.
Is it better than the Chomp Chomp though?
I think so.
Right,
you can probably get more strength.
It's I think it's one of the only devil fruits that looks like a different kind of fruit too.
It looks like bananas.
Yeah.
The red bananas.
That's fine.
So I think it's a good spot for it. It doesn't do anything else aside from give you some more strength. Yeah, makes you look like a giraffe.
You get a long neck. He has the. Remember, he can recede the neck and superpower the. Yeah. Okay, it's a cool fruit.